Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, June 10th. This is your last math video. We're almost to summer break. Stay strong. Stay with me, guys. Your last math video. All right? We're going to do math review today because your test is tomorrow. As I told you yesterday in our Zoom, do your math test on Thursday and get it done with. And then do your ELA test on Friday and get that done with, and then it's over. Then it's spring break time. Or then it's summer vacay time, man. All right, let's get after this here. It's going to be a nice, quick video on math review. So get out your math book, go to page 885. Let's get after it. Come on. All right, we're going to do 885, 886, but first we're going to do 884. Okay, vocab review. All right, come on. We're going to finish strong here. Let's do this. Understanding vocabulary. Write T for true or F for false. To find the area of a square, you can multiply the side length by 4. Well, we know that area equals length times width. Again, this is page 884, guys. So that would not be true, so that's false. Because you can't multiply it by 4. You got to multiply it length times width. Perimeter is measured in square units. That is also false because we know perimeter is just measured in units. Okay? Square units is area. Perimeter is units. You can use an addition or multiplication equation to find the area of a rectangle. Well, if you're talking about area of a rectangle, you can only use multiplication. So this is also false. All right? It would be true if it just said you can use multiplication to find the area of a rectangle, but you cannot use addition, so that's false. A rectangle with a width of 6 inches and a length of 10 inches has a perimeter of 28 inches. Well, let's add that up and figure it out. Let's draw our perimeter. Okay, remember perimeter we're going to add, so let's draw our rectangle. 6, 8, 6, 8. You add all those up, right? 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 12, because 6 plus 6 is 12, that is 28 inches. Very good, so that is true. A square with a side length of 5 meters is an area of 20 square meters. Well, let's figure that out. Square, we know all sides are equal length, so 5 and 5. Length times width. Area equals 5 times 5, which equals 25 square meters. So this would be false. So the only one that's true is number 4. Okay? And 6 through 8 tell if each equation shows a way to find the area or perimeter of the shape. Okay? Number 6. 8 times 4. Well, we know this is a square, so 8, 8, and 8 all the way around. So instead of adding 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, you can do 8 times 4 because there's 4 sides. So that equals 32, so that's perimeter. Okay? Remember, repeated addition is just multiplication, guys. Instead of writing 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 and getting 32, this guy just wrote 8 times 4. Okay? So that's perimeter. If you wanted to add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, you could do that. Or you just do 8 times 4. But that's only if it's a square. Only if it's a square can you do perimeter that way. Number 7. 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters. It's a rectangle, 4 times 2. Well, area equals length times width. So this would be area. Because length and width. Okay. Number 8. 7 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1. Well, this opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if they're adding here, they're doing perimeter. Very good, guys. Okay. Number 9. We're not going to do it. I just want to do 1 through 8. Excuse me there. Okay. All right, let's go to page 885. Remember, if it just says set A, set B, set C, set D, that's just telling you information. It's not telling you how or a problem to do. So let's look at it here. Okay? You can find the perimeter by counting segments. All right? Segments are blocks. The perimeter of this shape is 16 centimeters. You can find the perimeter of a shape by adding the lengths of the sides. So you could just add these sides. So let's count 16 here. So everybody remembers how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 going down. How many going across? 1, 2, 3 going across. 1 going up. 1 going over here. 2 going up right here. 1 going over. 1 going up. And 3 going across. So you would add up 4 plus 3 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's how we get 16. All right. And this one you would just add 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8, and they got 40. All right, so let's do numbers 1 through 3 together. Remember, the distance around a figure is its perimeter. Okay, circle that for me. Excuse me. So let's count this one. Let's count going across first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 going across. 1, 2 going down. 2 going over. 1, 2. Now let's count going down. 1, 2, 3. How many going across? Make sure everybody catches up here. Remember, 8 going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 going down. 1, 2. Then we have to count this side right here. That's also 2. 1, 2. Then we have to count going down. 1, 2, 3. Then let's count going over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we know this is 3 going up, this is going to be 3, 2. 1, 2 going over, and then 2 more going up. So you would just add all those up. Well, we know, boys and girls, let's look. 2 plus 2 is 4, so that's 4. So let's write 4 here. 2 plus 2 here is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus another 4 for here. Another 4 for this one, and then 8 right here. So add all those up. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. 22, 26. And then however the inches. All right? Remember, I got 4 from here by adding these 2 in my brain. I got 4 from here by adding these 2 in my brain. I got 6 from here by adding these 2 in my brain, and then I just put the 8 and the 4. Okay? Number 2, 12, 12, 6, and 6. Perimeter we add, so 12 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6. 2, 4, 10, 16, 36 centimeters. I want you guys to do number 3 on your own. Put that in Google Classroom, please. Okay. Find the perimeter of that one. Okay. Set B. If you know the perimeter, you can find the length of a missing side. What is the missing side of this polygon? Well, the perimeter is 21. We know 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 for this one. We need to find this one right here. So you add them all up. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus x equals 21. So x plus 18 equals 21. And all you got to do is subtract 18 minus 21, and you get 3. So x is 3. The missing side is 3 yards long. All right. Let's do this one together. Remember, to find the missing side length, you need to find the sum of the known sides. So find the sum of the stuff we already know. Okay? So we got to find this side length right here. Find the missing side length. Perimeter is 35. So 11 plus 11 plus 4 plus 4 plus s equals 35. So 11 plus 11 is 22, plus 4 is 8. S is 35, so 30. S plus 30 equals 35. And you just subtract what you have from the perimeter, and you get S equals 5 centimeters. So, to find the missing side length when you know the perimeter, add up what you have. Okay, we added up what we had, and we got 30, and subtract what we have from the perimeter, and they'll give you the missing side. So this is 5 here. Let me repeat that. When you got to find the missing side length, add up what you have. Okay, so we added up, we got 30. Subtract what we have, 30, from the perimeter, and that'll give you the missing side length. All right? All right, let's go to the back. Set C here, page 886. Find the perimeter and area of these rectangles. 3 feet and 8 feet is our area and length, so we know this is 3 and this is 8. To find the area, we would multiply length times width. Area equals length times width. 24 square feet. For this one, we would just add up the 4 sides when you do perimeter. 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8. You get 22 feet. So the perimeter is 22 feet. Area is 24 square feet. All right, same with this one, 7 and 4. Same perimeter, both got 22. Different area. Area equals length times width. All right, let's try this one. Remember that 2 rectangles can have the same perimeter but different areas, or the same area but different perimeters. Okay? Draw 2 rectangles, draw 2 different rectangles with the perimeter listed. Find the area of each rectangle. So we got rectangles, they have to equal 24. Okay? So we can do 8, 8, 4, 4. If you add up all those, 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4, that equals 24. So our area is what? Area equals length times width. So area here is going to equal 8 times 4. Area equals, these, remember we're labeling in feet, 32 feet. Okay, there's one rectangle we did. Let's do this one now. Okay, let's make this 10, 10, 2, 2. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 22 is 22, plus another 20, or plus another 2 is 24. So if you add it up, the perimeter is 24. P equals 24 feet. So area equals length times width. So you would do area equals 10 times 2. And you get 20 square. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be square feet too. I know Emma caught that. Square feet. So different areas, same perimeters. Mr. Sherman's got to check something real quick, boys and girls. Okay. Next, draw 2 different rectangles with the area listed. All right. Find the perimeter of each rectangle. So the area for both is going to be 64 inches. So area equals length times width. Okay. So for this one, let's do 16 and 4. Because 16 times 4 is 64. All right. Let's find our perimeter then. So you would add up 16 plus 16, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'm just going to put 8 there. Add that up. You get the perimeter of what? 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20. Carry your 2. You get 40 inches. Okay? That's our perimeter. All right, Mr. Sherman gave you the dimensions 16 and 4, because 16 times 4 is 64. All right, so you add up the opposite sides are equal. We know that. All right, let's do the next one. Let's do 8 and 8 because we know 8 times 8 is 64 because I ate and I ate, so I got sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. Okay? So area equals 8 times 8, which equals 64. Now perimeter is going to be 8 all the way around. So P equals 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. You guys all know that. It's 32 inches. Same area as 64 here. Different perimeters. All right. Remember, you can pause that if you need to. We're not doing the bottom. Cross it off. Your test is page 887 and 888. 11 questions. All right. I'll put the answer on Google Forms tomorrow morning for you to do it. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that's our last math video. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor making these videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed them throughout the last couple months. All right, I hope you guys watched them all. All right? I will see you tomorrow in our Zoom meeting. Bye, guys.